We're planting oak trees, we're planting buckbrush, beautyberry, we're planting Missouri dogwoods. A group of people from St. Louis and Forest Relief came together and said, let's have a day where we plant peacefully together side by side. So you're going to be part of making it a better place out here today. So with that, let's go plant a tree.
We shall not be. We shall not.
All we got to do
like a tree that's planted by the water. So we shall not be moved. We
Alright, ready for the next one?
we shall not be moved.
Thanks for growing. Wait.
We shall not
Bob is ours.
like a tree that's planted by the water. We shall not. We're fighting for our children. We shall not be moved. We're fighting
Now, did you
for
put on
our
your tree?
children. We shall not be moved.
Good job.
Like
Okay.
a tree that's planted by the water. We
Good luck, buddy.
shall not be
Go big and strong, right?
moved. Oh, the union is behind us. We shall not be moved. Union is behind us. We shall not be moved like a tree that's planted by the water. We shall not be moved. Yeah, black and white together. We shall not be moved. Black and white together, we shall not be moved. Oh, like a tree that's planted by the water. We shall not be moved. Well, now we shall not.